Hello, my name is Barbara.Balcom. I'm here at Guaranty RV, and today what we're showing you is the Heartland North Trail. What a beautiful travel trailer. As you can see, it has a fantastic floor plan and a lot of nice accents, like these accent lights that are right here on this slide. It's got a lovely couch, a nice dinette, and a fantastic kitchen. You've got a L-shaped kitchen here with lots of drawers, high cabinetry, a full-size oven, range, beautiful refrigerator. And as you look back here, what you're going to find is the lavatory or the bathroom. And that's a really nice bathroom. There's lots of space in there. It's a nice little, just a perfect setup. It's always nice to have a window in the bathroom. So you can look outside, you can open the window in the bathroom. A lot of the RVs don't even offer that. Another thing is that this is well equipped. It's got these beautiful double bunk beds, bunk over bunk. They're full size, 200 pounds capacity with these. So you can, a young couple could be sleeping in them, or a young couple could be sleeping in them, or you can use them for storage. There's a lot of different things that you can do with those particular bunks. We're looking at a full-size refrigerator here. You've got a nice, beautiful pantry, and that could be serving as a closet. You've got storage space under here as well for those backpacks and extra things. And as we turn around and we look here to the front of the RV, this has been, a lot of times it can get cold or hot, and you want to kind of slide in and maybe watch a movie or something like that. So you've got a great big television here, and this of course swings out on a swing arm. A nice fireplace, which is an alternate for your propane heat. And then when you come back here, just take a peek right here in this bedroom. How about this? You got a king size bed. How often do you see that? And I mean, this is beautiful memory foam. You've got closets on each side and cabinetry, shelving, the whole 10 yards, everything it takes. I'm going to go outside and take a look at some of the storage, and then I'm going to invite you to come on out and take a look at this for yourself. It's got an outside kitchen, which is fantastic. Those are super handy. They're very popular. Dual axles. Got a nice kitchen here. An outside shower and some of the other extras. You guys, I can talk to you about this trailer for quite some time. The best thing I can offer you is an invitation to come out and shake my hand. Come into this trailer and take a look at it for yourself. My name is Barbara D at Guaranty, and my phone number is 541-521-4232. Thank you for taking a minute with me today. I sure appreciate it.